So, welcome everyone. Welcome to today's live trading. As we can see, I'm currently selling good on today's live trading. Also, it seems as if I'm risk free, but yeah, this is because this setup was shared in the community when it was at 49.34. That's when I shared the setup. You can see I said selling good. I also shared it on Twitter, shared it on Thread, and also on my Instagram story right at entry. So it went all the way up to 39.40, almost taking me out. I think just 40 more pips to take me out, but then it reversed it. So then I gave an update. I said, this is the right time to protect your entry. So we are on 44, we are on 49.34, protected. If it takes us out on break even, it's fine. Then we rest. But for then, I'm expecting good to at least sell more. This setup is intended for 120 pips. Okay, and the stop loss was 100 pips. So we are risk free already right now because I had an entry on 49.40 and I've set break even. So we are risk free for this setup. Let's see how it goes. Although I still have a pending order for here, but nah, I'll prefer that. So let's see how this setup goes right now. Well, so welcome everyone to today's live. I'm gonna relax very well today because I'm expecting good profits from gold today. So let's see how it goes. The live setup is active. and we are already risk free with the community. So this is the more advantage you should join my community, because I shared this setup when it was at 49.34. Okay, right on entry this setup was shared. It was at 49.34. It went all the way up to 49.40. We were just looking at it. I also shared it on Thread. I also shared it on X. Okay, all my accounts. So we were just looking at it and say, oh, close call, and then it has reversed, almost taking me out, just like 40 more pips to go. So this setup is 100 pips loss for 120 plus pips. So if we are gonna calculate this using our calculator, so if we have 1230 pips, okay, is that, yeah, 1230 pips divided by 100. So this setup is a 12-hour setup. Okay, so we are risking 100 pips to make 1230 pips. So it's a 12-hour setup. So let's see how it goes. Already we are risk free because we took entry when it was at 34. So we've already set break even with the community. All we just need to do is look at it, how it moves. So if you're just joining, well, you're late. If you want to follow up, you can join, but I'm not gonna advise you to do that, because you're late, so no need to kill yourself. But if you want to join up, you can take your sale right now at 28. Okay, if you want to join. But for us, we are already risk free because we took it at 34. So we are bang on break even right now. Let's see how this setup goes. Said hi, can we still sell good now? Yeah, that's just what I said. That's according to your risks. If you want to follow up, you can join now. You can sell on 28 right now, but you're still gonna maintain same stop loss. But for you, is your own rigs. But for us, we are on break even at 34. So if it reverses back to 34, we are safe. And also, if you entered at the 28, you are down 30 plus pips right now. So you can see the setup is a good setup. So welcome everyone. Your sell is too early. My sell is too early, and I'm making profit from the sale. Listen to yourself, bro. My sell is too early and I'm making profit on it. I'm making currently 150 plus pips on an early sale. Are you listening to yourself? Wap it 90 cows scale hole. Okay. Somebody trying to teach me how to. I don't care about your opinions, bro. I'm just here doing my life. That's what I care about. I'm here doing my live trading, giving setups I feel are good for me to take and for everyone to take. Okay. So I'm not here for anyone's opinion. So even if this setup is gonna fail, I don't care, but it's not gonna fail because I'm already on break even. Okay, so I am risk free already. So even if it reverses, it's none of my business because we are risk free. So there's nothing to be scared of. And that's why you should join my community, because I did say this setup was shared exactly when it was at 34. Okay, that was when I shared this setup, and we made the entry, and boom, setup is giving us what we want. Okay, risk free, break even already set, so you don't have anything to be scared of. And as for those that made entry immediately I started this live at 28, you are running 30 plus pips. So 30, 40 plus pips, you can set break even on that. That's enough space for you to get break even. So it's okay for you. Yeah, all love here, brother. Just another friendly trader. Yep, I have a lot of traders joining this live. Even those that know how to trade, those that don't know how to trade. Even me, I'm also learning. Okay, no one is perfect in this trade. No one can tell me he's 100% perfect in forex. Each of his setup is 100%. He has never hit stop loss. It's impossible. Okay, no one is gonna tell you that in this industry that I know. Every strategy has failure. Okay, every strategy will fail you at some point. So even though the strategy is 100%, it gives you take profit, there is a time that it will fail. You hit stop loss. So everybody is still, you still learn in the market every day. And how did I learn? I learned the hard way through stop losses, blown accounts, and all that. This bugger. Mm. What just happened? Okay, it's back. Well, don't forget to tap your screens. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to comment. The main aim is for us to make profits together. Together we stand. Delete. So, bringing you back up here. How can you join my community? Telegram channel link in bio. Okay, channel link is in my bio. Once you click the link tree, okay, I think my bio is just my Telegram channel directory. I think it's not a link tree, right? Yeah, let me see. Dashboard. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's just Telegram channel directly. So it's not even a link tree. So once you click my name, this channel, view the channel, you're just gonna see the Telegram channel there directly. You just click and join. That's all. So you don't have any. Mhm.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lions gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah.
How are we looking, guys? How are we seeing?
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah.
How we doing, guys? What's going on? Are we tight on break even or are we just looking? Because the setup is currently going well. Okay, so make sure you are tight. Let's go. Let's go. Well, every time I join this live, I always say this. Ask me anything, I'm gonna answer. Why did I take this sell? I've already answered. So I think you can ask any other thing. And I'm gonna answer you. Close your mouth, bro. What is the signal we're looking for? We're actually looking for signal, or we are already in a trade. We're not looking for signal. We're already in a trade. We are selling. Okay. I'm just waiting for the market to give me more profits. That's all. So there's nothing I'm looking for. And I'm break even already. I'm waiting for at least from here to here 89.64 at least, or break even, and I take a break and rest. And it means break even, it also means you should take a rest and don't over trade, don't revenge trade. And that's all that. So that's the meaning. People have been asking why I haven't been trading Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin is just, see, look at the setup I gave on Bitcoin weeks ago. On 8th February, I gave the same zone on 7th February. Okay. I gave the same sell zone on 7th February. It's still there. It sold almost 200 pips, came back again to the same. I said sell again, 200 pips. Since then, Bitcoin has just been there. You can see it has been in the same place, selling, buying, just ranging. Okay, so I'm still waiting for it to come back into that same zone again so that I can sell. It has been ranging. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is actually bearish, by the way, so forget about it ranging, but I'm expecting Bitcoin to be more bearish. Okay, so it has been ranging there. That's why I haven't been dropping any setup on Bitcoin, because yes, it has been ranging, although I'm expecting more sell. Let's see, it's here, so possibly we should expect Bitcoin to start selling from here again to this point. Okay, so let's see Bitcoin to sell from here to here to 65. Okay, that's that for Bitcoin. So as it is, also we are selling gold, so not to bother about Bitcoin. This is just a fast analysis for Bitcoin, expecting Bitcoin to sell from here to 65. Okay, that's that. Well, for gold, I'm currently in the trade. Perfect. Perfect. Perfecto. Okay. Let's measure how much we are making from this setup right now. Price range. Right from here. Okay. It's down 41 to 20. Negative 220 pips currently on this setup. So, what a perfect setup, guys. Also, making 220 pips on this setup. Trade is active. And when I came live, I also said you should make entry on 28. So if you made that, you're currently making 80 plus pips. You can see my entries. I have 5 entries and I'm currently running $250 on each of those 5 entries. 0.2 lot size for this setup. Perfect setup. Made entry on 49.34, 49 up onto 49.40. When it got there, you can see. Okay, so each setup is running $250. That's 5 entries, 0.2 lot size. So let's go. All setups, all entry are locked with break even. This is the more reason you should join my community. Click the link in my bio, join my Telegram community where I share all these setups right at entry for free for everyone to trade with. See you guys. Fear, emotional damage. No audio. No audio. Have we been serious?
I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight. We have the world in our sight, and I know together we'll be right. Can you see forever we will go?
No audio. There is background music. Just that the volume is on minimal. I don't want to. I don't like noise. I don't want to disturb everyone's ear. Okay. There's background music while we enjoy our profits. So there is audio, bro. Put on some BG music. Yeah, there is. It's just on the lowest least volume. If you increase the volume of your phone or maybe PC or whatever you're using to watching the live, you're using to watch the live, you hear the sound. Okay, it's on minimal. I think I can hear it here. Okay, yeah, it's there. And also, once I start talking, the volume tends to drop. Volume of the song tends to drop more so that you can hear me very well. Then once I stop, it increases.
We are forever learning, one step at a time.
What do we have here? What do we have? Let's see. Let's see our setup. Let's get a price range from where we entered around 40, 49, 40, 49, 34. Let's measure price range to now on 18. Right? On 18. That's this setup is currently running 220 pips shared with everyone here live. You can see these are my entries. Okay, 5 entries on 0.2 lot size, all protected. Okay, you can see that all protected. 5 entries, 0.2 currently running. Oh, the highest entry there is currently running 400 US dollar, and I have 5 entries, so you can make your own calculations. Even if you enter with 0.01 lot size, you're still in profit. 200 pips is $20 for you. So that's the more reason you should join my community. Okay, don't forget to click the link in my bio. Join the Telegram community where I drop all these setups on entry. Okay, on entry I give all the coordinates, the entry points, the stop level points, the take profit points, and I still give updates on when to take partials also. So that's the advantage of my community. Link is in bio. See you soon. And also, just quick reminder, you can see I gave a Bitcoin signal just quickly, not even. I think, let me put it like this. Let's put a short. I gave a Bitcoin signal just quickly somewhere here. Okay, I saw that trend line. This trend line I just drew here. Just a quick scalping Bitcoin setup. This is where the stop loss is gonna be right above here. And I said I'm expecting it to sell all the way to 65, right? This is where it reacted here, so it's gonna fill here, it's gonna fill here, expecting it to 65. So let's put the stick profits here. So that's that for Bitcoin. Imagine selling both Bitcoin and gold at the same time. Is that not weird? But yeah, that's that for Bitcoin. Okay, selling already in the sale. Stop loss is just here. 80 pips stop loss to 300 pips take profit. So that's that for Bitcoin. Gold already active and running. So 2 setups in 1 day, guys. Let me set it up well. Where is trend line? This is the stop loss here. Entry point was here. Take profit is here. Green, blue, snapshots, and drop it in the community. Selling Bitcoin. Oh, I'm getting exhausted already. Well, setup is in profit, so why get exhausted when you're in profit? We are protected, okay? Break even, break chat was disconnected, chat reconnected successfully. It's reconnected. So I just have like I have literally 10 minutes to go and rest. Let's can't stay here all day. battery doesn't even last. Weakest battery. Perfect, 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 perfect. How are we doing, guys? What's the updates? Are we doing well? Well, the update is set up is already on 200 plus peeps. But that setup and also Bitcoin setup, both of them, you can see Bitcoin we selling already in profits, gold in selling already 200 plus pips. So let's give an update for this gold setup. You can see it's falling massively. Okay, falling pretty much good. Okay, all my entries. So let's take a range. Setup is currently on 200 plus pips. I know because we made entry on 49.40. So from 49.40 down to where gold is right now, gold is on 13. That's 270 plus pips. The setup is currently running 270 plus pips. You can see my entry right here. 5 entries, all protected. I can see one is running $500 on 0.2 lot size, and the rest are running 450, and that's okay. So make your calculation. 5 entries, each running 500 plus dollars. That's the advantage of my setups. That's the more reason you should join my community. Okay, click the link in my bio. Click the link in my bio. Join my Telegram community where I drop all the setups for free right on entry. So we trade together. See you soon. Well, in the meantime, I'm gonna be ending this live soon. Seems people know me already. My live is only 1 hour, only lasts for 1 hour. So in the next 2 minutes, I'm gonna be ending it. No, no. Just be patient, bro. Don't feel like a fool. Okay. So that's that for today, guys. It's already 1 hour. I've been on this live for 1 hour. So thanks for joining. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for sharing. Don't forget to take your screenshots, save the setup so you don't forget them. The setups are selling Bitcoin. This is the stop loss at 68,200, take profit 65,400. Selling Bitcoin. Setup also selling gold. The take profit is at 48.10. Okay, we're on break even for this gold setup. So make sure you set your break even for this setup. So that's that for today. See you guys on the next one. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss the next live. Okay, see you guys soon. Bye.